Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today our group will present on halal requirement versus scientific analysis. Halal is more than simply avoiding pork or alcohol. It is a comprehensive system that ensures food and pharmaceutical products are lawful, clean, safe, and ethically produced according to Islamic principles. In today's world, modern food industry products often contain complex ingredients and additives. Because of this, scientific analysis has become an important tool to verify whether products truly meet halal standards. This presentation explains how Islamic principles and scientific methods work together to protect consumers and maintain halal integrity. Our objectives are to explain the fundamental requirements of halal products, to identify the characteristics of halal ingredients, to understand how scientific analysis varies halal compliance, to show the relationship between Islamic principles and modern science. Finally, to highlight the importance of food safety, quality, and consumer confidence in halal certification. Now I will hand over to another presenter to explain the requirements of halal ingredients.
Now I'm going to talk about halal requirements and halal ingredients. First, discuss about halal requirements. A halal product must comply with Islamic law throughout its entire production process. This means only permissible ingredients can be used and the product must remain free from prohibited substances such as pork, blood and alcohol, or ingredients derived from animals that were not slaughtered according to Islamic guidelines. Another important requirement is preventing cross-contamination. Even if a product contains halal ingredients, it may become non-halal if it comes into contact with prohibited substances during manufacturing, transportation, storage, or packaging. Islam also emphasizes cleanliness, hygiene, and essential production and consumer safety. Therefore, halal products must not only be religiously permissible but also wholesome and safe for consumption. Now I'm going to talk about halal ingredients. Halal ingredients may come from plants, animals, microorganisms, or synthetic sources. Plant-based ingredients such as grains, fruits, vegetables, herbs, and vegetable oils are generally halal. Animal-derived ingredients are halal only when they come from permissible animals slaughtered according to Islamic requirement. Some ingredients can come from halal or non-halal sources, so they must be checked carefully, and manufacturer must make sure every ingredient is halal before making a final product.
Now, I would like to talk about scientific analysis and methodology. Thank you. Modern science plays an important role in supporting halal certification. Scientific analysis provides objective laboratory evidence to verify ingredient authenticity, detect prohibited substance, and identify contamination. Several advanced techniques are commonly used. One important method is polymerase chain reaction or PCR, which detects DNA from prohibited animal species, including pork, in highly processed food. Another technique is Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy or FTIR, which identify the chemical composition of oils, fats, and food additives. Mass spectrometry helps determine the molecular composition of ingredients and detect contaminants. Other analytical methods, including chromatography and immunological tests, are also used to identify alcohol, allergen, and non halal proteins. These techniques ensured that halal claims are supported by scientific evidence. Now, let's briefly discuss the methodology. The study uses a qualitative literature review by examining Islamic principles together with modern scientific research. It compares religious guidelines with laboratory testing methods to understand how science supports halal verification, quality assurance, and consumer protection. Now, I'd like to invite presenter 4 to present the findings and conclusion.
Thank you. Based on the discussion, several important findings can be highlighted. First is Islamic principle provide clear guidance regarding what is halal and what is prohibited. Second is scientific analysis strengthens halal verification by detecting prohibited ingredients, contamination, adulteration, and fraudulent labeling. The combination of religious guidelines and scientific testing improves food safety, product authenticity, and public confidence. Consumers today expect transparency and laboratory verification that helps ensure products genuinely meet halal standards. In conclusion, halal is not only about choosing permissible ingredients, it also includes ethical sourcing, hygienic manufacturing, proper storage, transportation, traceability, and scientific verification. The integration of Islamic teachings with modern scientific techniques create a reliable halal certification system that benefits consumers, manufacturers, and regulatory authorities. As the global halal market continues to expand, cooperation between Islamic scholars, scientists, food manufacturers, and certification bodies will become even more important in maintaining halal integrity. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Health Ministry's efforts to strengthen food safety controls have led to a 28.9% drop in food poisoning cases nationwide. Minister Datuk Sri Dr. Zulkifli Ahmad said the number of cases from August 31st to September 6th fell to almost 13,000 cases, compared to over 18,000 cases during the same period last year.
So food poisoning rankingnya agak tinggi juga dari sudut membawa mobility dan cumulative cases di negara kita ini. Masih lagi kita berdepan dan saya tidak akan berselesa that we must never put our guard down orang kita. Jangan kita selesa dan cuai, tambah lagi culas ya kepada especially those food suppliers.
Met after flagging off participants of the Apron Walk 2025 in Penang, Zulkifli said the strategy involves relaxed yet informative health education and advocacy programs to raise public awareness on the importance of food safety. He noted that such interventions are crucial as the global cost of treating foodborne illnesses is estimated at 60 billion ringgit annually. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 10 people worldwide fall ill each year from foodborne illnesses, with over 200 diseases linked to contaminated food.